with us, and we are to inform you that all the presidential aspirants from Southeast met this morning. However, it is to our knowledge that more aspirants may have obtained forms under PDP. We hope that they will join us a little later. So in the interim, 4 of us are presidential aspirants under the platform of our great party, the People's Democratic Party of Nigeria. We met this morning and resolved as follows. 1, we have agreed to work together as a team. We will work together to ensure that a Southeasterner emerge as PDP flag bearer for 2023 presidential election. We intend to consult with other zones on this issue, and it is based on fairness and equity. In doing so, it is important to note that we have always supported other zones, and we now expect them to reciprocate. Thank you very much. Well, taking your own last, when we get to the bridge, we cross it. But we will work together in the interest of the party, in the interest of the nation, and in the interest of Southeast. On your own question, maybe that question will go to governors for Southeast Governors Forum, not to us. Whatever they are doing or whatever they are not doing is not necessarily before us. So when you meet them in their own meeting, you can ask them. And on my sister's question, well, if our position tallies with that of the Southern governors, good luck. But we are taking this position in the interest of national unity, in the interest of PDP, and in fact, in line with PDP constitution. We believe that the PDP constitution favors what we are doing, and we have to boldly step out to do so. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, we have closed question.
Closed.
Yes, yes.